Okay, we're rolling. This is Whiskey Bowl Woodchuck, and today I'm going to be showing you why you don't drill a hole in the side of your mini fridge. Okay, so we're going to be using this this pneumatic zip gun today, and we're just going to open it up and we're going to show you exactly what it looks like so you can avoid that problem. Alright, hold on. Okay, let's do this. Get over there and I'm going to go this way. Okay, we got her open. As you can see here, we got some of the coil showing already from somebody drilling a hole. That's not right. You can't be doing that, because this is what you run into. Okay, so don't do that. Don't ever drill a hole in the side of your mini fridge. Bad things will happen. This is a preventive video to let everybody know. It's Whiskey Bowl Woodchuck signing off.